bestie. It is day 4 of the Baddies and Budget 12 Days of Budgeting Advent Calendar unboxing. Alright, we have another velvet pouch. I like the dust bags. Alright, so I have a binder, a personal green binder in the silver. We got some label stickers that look like as well. Let me go ahead and remove this. Let me know how you're doing in the comments with an emoji. So I haven't purchased, I know it's a lot of people purchase new binders, seem like every season within the community. I haven't purchased any. So now I have some new binders to add to my setup for 2026. Let me go ahead and move this paper here from the rings. Alright, so we have some more trackers. And I like that they included trackers for this binder. We're receiving for the wallet as well as the red velvet. And for those it's 6, I'm assuming we got 6 trackers for this as well. And like I said, I like the trackers. That's king with those. Alright, so let me place those in the pocket. And it has silver hardware rings on this. And this is like a snap magnetic closure binder. Alright. So let me go ahead and add these cash envelopes to it for her eyes only. Systems only. Quiet hustle, loud results. And I like the closure that's on these envelopes as well. I love black cash envelopes. I love black. That's my vibe. Get it, gal. Get it, gal. Stillness is a flex. I just still a journal entry on that. Elegance isn't always loud. Love these cash envelopes. And then we got these label stickers here with it. So definitely can start off the year off right with this. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Toodles!